Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Kotak mobile banking app and logging in with your customer ID and MPIN. Use biometrics if set up for speed. Once logged in, make sure you're on the Accounts tab and select the specific savings or current account you want to use for an international transfer. This step reads your account details, so it must be exact. Because SWIFT requires a specific account and branch, verify the account nickname and IFSC shown before you proceed to the payments area. Once done with account selection, go to Payments, then International Transfers, or the SWIFT/BIC Details section. This is where the bank exposes the branch routing code. You should tap into Beneficiary or Account Details and choose Show SWIFT/BIC. The app often hides it behind an info button. Make sure to note the branch SWIFT/BIC, any correspondent bank information, and the exact account number format. Pay attention to notes about charges and required fields. These affect successful routing. Now confirm the SWIFT/BIC code and branch name match what your beneficiary or receiving bank expects. You must be precise, because a single wrong character delays funds. Once confirmed, copy the code or save a screenshot for beneficiary setup and the international transfer form. If the app does not display a SWIFT code, contact Kotak customer support or visit your branch with CIF and IFSC details to request the branch's SWIFT. This prevents guessing and avoids return payments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.